crisp, cool days, a cup of coffee, and a sweet treat. A perfect fall day. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. So I hope you'll join me today and decorate these simple sugar cookie mugs. You can get this cookie cutter in my shop, and I'll leave a link for it in the description. But I'm just going to start by outlining the mug with my royal icing. It's a 15-second consistency and white. And then I'll outline the handle over here. To do your outline, you just want to touch down, lift up your piping bag a little bit, and follow along the outside edge. And then I'm putting a squiggle of icing down the middle of the handle because I'm hoping not to get a crater in that little skinny area. And then I actually switched icing to a looser consistency this time. My flood consistency is about a 10 to 12 second consistency, and I'm just going to fill that in and use my scribe to get the icing out to the edge so it doesn't overflow. And then I let that dry for about 10 or 15 minutes before coming back in and flooding in the handle using the same icing. And I'll use my scribe to smooth the icing out and get it out to the corners of the handle here. And then I'll set this cookie aside to dry. And once the mug has dried for a while, I grabbed my projector and I'm going to position it so it's straight up and down over the cookie. And using Canva, I wrote the word cozy in a font that I liked. And I'm just going to use my projector to pipe the word onto this cookie. So this is real time. I'm going super slow, touching down, lifting up my piping bag and touching down at each intersection. You can see I'm holding my piping bag more like I would a pen or a pencil. But again, you just want to touch down and lift up your piping bag just slightly and slowly go around and follow the line of the projector. While you try to keep your piping bag out of the way, it just takes a little bit of practice to do that. And then drop your line down right on top of the line from the projector. For some reason, I find it easier to start on the right and work my way to the left, but you just want to touch down, lift up your piping bag slightly, and watch where your line of icing is falling, not your piping bag, and then lay your line down. And these cute cookies are done. You could write names or any kinds of words on the cookie. You could use splatter paint and give it a stoneware appearance. There's just so much you could do with it. Thanks so much for hanging out in the kitchen with me. Here's to cookies, cocoa, coffee, and cozy moments. And if you loved these cozy cookie mugs, please give this video a like and subscribe for more sweet designs. See you next time.